Welcome to lesson number 6 on my course called How to Become a Geometry Dash Professional Player. Today, we will talk about hitboxes. But first, what is a hitbox? You can see a spike on the screen. You think it kills you, but only a small part inside of it actually makes you lose. This small red part is called a hitbox. They are very inaccurate. It makes the game way easier. As you can see, this spike is also inaccurate, and Soblates, it's the same story. The next scene is a bush, and their hitboxes are all different, but they're still terribly wrong. There is no correct hitboxes in this game. Last but not least, you see this monster. You think if you touch it, you will die, right? Right? No. Actually, the hitbox is so wrong that you can pass just right under it. Inaccurate hitboxes make the game way easier. If we go into the practice mode, there's an option called Show Hitboxes. If it is on, we would see the hitboxes while we are in the practice mode. And as you can see here, Spike hitbox is tiny compared to it. It makes the game way easier because you can just clip through half of the spike without actually dying. And look at this hitbox. It's tiny compared to a Subblade. And as you can see, you can clip through all of the bushes, but their hitboxes are just slightly bit different, and the monster hitbox is just tiny. Here is the triple spike, but it's different. It uses accurate hitboxes. It makes it way more difficult. As you can see in the practice mode, hitboxes are accurate, and it makes the jump 10 times harder than the actual triple spike. Here, after that, we have a normal triple spike, but it's very wide, and it's still easier because of the hitboxes. Just look at these small rectangles. It works the same with every other game mode. For example, here we have two flying sections, one with regular spikes and one with accurate spikes. As you can see with the hitboxes on, we have a lot of space with normal spikes, but with accurate spikes, you have no room for a single mistake. That's why the game uses inaccurate hitboxes, because it is way easier. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was helpful for you. The assignment before the next lesson is to beat Stereo Madness, first official level, in the practice mode. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Goodbye!